So here I'm cutting a pomegranate. This is a pomegranate and I'll tell you its benefits after I chop them and take out every seed. Yeah, here I'm taking out all the seeds. It's very hard to take out the seeds, but we'll have to do it slowly one by one. But here I'm getting it so good. See, just see friends, the sound which it makes. So here are the pomegranates I've taken, and you can add some salt. So I'm putting black salt in here, and it's very good. It tastes very good. So friends, today I'll be sharing some good information about pomegranates. Pomegranate is a very healthy fruit, and here is my pomegranate. I hope you all can see. I love eating pomegranate seeds and they are very beneficial. So the pomegranate was so tasty. I loved eating it, and I'll tell you its benefits now because I could not resist eating at all because I love pomegranate seeds so much. And putting black salt was my favorite, and I always eat most of my fruits with the black salt. You should try it out, friends. It tastes so yummy and delicious. So the benefits of eating pomegranates are it helps in losing weight and helps in digestion, reduces wrinkles, it reduces the marks on your face which you are having from sunburn and suntan and all, and it helps prevents cancer also. And it benefits even in heart disease, and it's very good for your heart. It improves your eyesight, improves your blood function, and it purifies your blood and it clarifies your blood too. And people who have less hemoglobin also, it helps in increasing its hemoglobin also, and this is very beneficial for ladies because it is very good because they can get more energy and they can work more efficiently, and it helps in reducing anemia too. It's a very good immunity booster too. So now that the winter is coming, we need to add more of pomegranates and pomegranates juice. And in Costco, we get that pomegranate juice, which is very good. I myself have drank it so much, and I feel it gives me good energy actually, and it's good. It has all the vitamins and all. Very useful for people who have kidney diseases, kidney stones, kidney problems. So people with kidney problems should always take one cup full of pomegranate or its juice, like 1 cup of juice every day. And last but not the least, it improves the memory of the kids. So the kiddos should eat more of pomegranates and pomegranates juiced, and they should add some almonds also in it, and it gives double the benefits. So almonds and eating pomegranates is a very good thing, or juice of it, and you'll see the improvisation of the children's brain. They'll start getting good grades in their subjects. So pomegranate juice is very good. Pomegranate seeds are very good. And friends, I cannot be without not sharing any facials with pomegranate juice. So here goes the facial and scrub and all, and I'll show you how much glow it gives to a nice face when you do this on your face. So here we have two things which I'll be doing. One is scrubbing and one is face pack. So let's get started. Here I've taken 2 spoons of pomegranate seeds. Now I'm just planning to puree it. Here I've taken a cup and I'll be pouring 1 spoon of pomegranate seeds puree. And I'm putting this in another container. So I've taken 2 jars out of it. I've shared it into half and half. And I'm taking half spoon of yogurt, and this is the Walmart brand of yogurt. I'm taking plain fat-free yogurt, and I'll be mixing it one of the container here. This is for scrubbing. And for the second one, I'm using chickpea flour, like 1 spoon. I'm adding some drops of honey. That's more than enough. So this is the face scrub which I made it ready. This is the puree, and it only has yogurt and it is having that water consistency. We'll apply this and we'll start now. So friends, we'll take this, and you all know I'm very comfortable using my own hands. So I'll just take this and apply it directly on my face. I'll just apply and come so that I don't keep sitting in front of the camera and recording just like this. So I'll do it a little on the time lapse. So here I've already applied it for 10 minutes. I'll just wash my face and come and show you all. It's giving me so good feeling. I can feel the skin getting tightened. So try it out, friends. This was the scrubbing which I did. Now I'll put a face mask after I wash my face and come. So just give me some time. So here I've washed my face. I feel the softness. I feel my face has become so cool and nice. I'm enjoying my tightness of my skin. The face has become so tight and it's giving me a good glow already. But we have to still apply a pack which I made. So here is the pack. And this is all the pack I could make. I made it extra because I could keep it stored up and use it on my hands and legs also later on. So this has very good face pack, and it's very good. And I put in this chickpea flour, honey, and I'll be applying and showing you right now. So this is it. So you all know that I like to keep it with my hands, and I don't like to use the brush because brush it's so hard sometimes. I cannot on the camera well. So here I mix it all over again and I'll apply it on my face. This is little thick because it has very good chickpea flour. So it's absorbed all the juice and everything, and it has honey also. I can smell the chickpea flour very nicely. I'll just do this on a time lapse and show you fully now. Hello. So I've applied it. I'm feeling so good. It's become so tight. I'm unable to talk also. So I'm speaking very slowly because my skin is really from inside. I can feel that it is stretching, pulling, and getting so tightened. So I have done this so many times and I really like it. And I forgot to say that today my t-shirt and my face both are matching together because of the pink. So I love pomegranate, as you all told me, and this was a requested video which I wanted to do from a long time on YouTube. So I hope you all liked it, and still to come is the benefits of the skin. So I'll be doing this right after I wash my face. I'll tell you what are the benefits and what and all you can do with the pomegranate skin too. So just this video is going to be a little long video, and it has the whole pomegranate's benefits, from eating the seeds, from the skin to the doing the facial. So one pomegranate did so many uses. You'll be amazed to see what and all it can do with the one pomegranate. So let me just come washing my face, and I'll come and talk to you later. So friends, here it is. I've all washed, feeling so good. And friends, never rub your face with the towel like this, pulling down and all. Just tap, 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 tap. Just wipe it. My t-shirt and all has become wet, but that's okay. Anyway, this had to go for a wash because I always wear it for 2 times and leave it off. So, see friends, can you see the skin? I feel so good. Just feeling so good. Ignore my gray hairs because I really need to fix up my hair also. So this is how the face looks, and I can see the natural pink glow. I have not applied anything on my face. I just applied little lipstick and that is it, and I feel so good. It's so clean and clear now. And make sure that you don't apply any soap or face wash for another 24 hours. Leave it as it is, and when you sleep today night and wake up, as I'm going to do now, I'll just go to bed and I'll just apply some moisturizing cream. You can apply even badam oil, coconut oil, almond oil actually. I told it in Hindi. So almond oil, coconut oil, olive oil. You can apply ghee also and just sleep off. And in the morning when you wake up, you'll see a radiance in your skin already. There'll be a shine as you see mirages when you go driving on the road. You'll see good patches of radiance actually. So I can already see the radiance. The skin of here is already shining. Can you see? I don't know how, but the skin is really shining. So I feel good. So this is my little home remedy which I did with pomegranate facial. I don't know if anybody else has done it, but here it goes. I'm going to come. So friends, how did you like my facial with the pomegranate seeds and whatever I did just now? I just loved it, and see the glow on my face, friends. This is the glow the next day. So yeah, yesterday's t-shirt I just removed it and I didn't want to wear that t-shirt. So this is a new t-shirt. So here it is. I feel very nice next day, and the only thing is I've applied on my face is just a lipstick and a dash of kajal, eyeliner. So I'm feeling good, friends. Hope you all liked it, and if you have liked it, please like my video, share it, comments, and subscribe. And sending you lots of love. Bye.